Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be giving you a very detailed beginner's makeup tutorial. So I'm starting up with this She Glam primer. Before doing this, I had applied my serum, my moisturizer, sunscreen and primer. That is the skin prep you have to do to have a makeup look that won't break or get oily so soon. So I go ahead to dab my brow area with some powder before drawing. That is to let it hold my pencil. I need to keep it matte before drawing. Sometimes people complain that their pencil isn't coming out on their skin. It's because the skin is oily and it's not holding the pencil. You need to keep it matte. Okay guys, so go ahead and brush these brows with a spoolie. And I take my Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. I'm going to also be using the foundation, the Stay All Day foundation, to clean the top part of the brow and also the inner corner. So this is me cleaning gently. Once you feel like your brow is okay or your brows are okay, don't touch it again. So I go ahead and clean the top part of both brows and I'm done. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I need to prep my eyelids. I always love to prep my eyelids with my concealer. This concealer is so good. I've been using it for quite a long time now. Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. It gives a full coverage. So I go in with this Color Blast eyeshadow palette from Catrice Cosmetics. It's a mini palette. I take this brown color. I always love to do my outer lids either with brown or sometimes I add a bit of black to make it darker. But it depends, it's just choice of color. Then on the inner corners, I bring in any lighter shade that I want, any brighter shade, either shimmer, matte or glitter. It depends on you. I go ahead and do liner. The liner is also from Catrice Cosmetics, and then I stick in my lashes. Next thing is foundation. I'm using this Stay All Day foundation from Essence Cosmetics. Guys, Essence is one affordable brand that is so good. Even people ask why Essence got to be so cheap, but why it's very good. Now I'm going to conceal, highlight all the points that need to be highlighted. That is my T-zone. Apply it under my eyes. Also apply it on my smile lines, forehead and bridge of nose. Then I allow it to sit a little bit before blending. This is to give me that full coverage. Now on blending your concealer on the highlighted points, can you use a powder puff or a damp beauty blender or a brush? If I have to use a damp beauty blender, I start up with a brush and then pick up the excess product with a damp beauty blender. Now I don't go straight to blending my highlighted points with a damp beauty blender because sometimes beauty blender picks up excess product than required. So this powder puff is a game changer. I love to blend with it and it's very easy. It leaves my coverage the way I want it. Now I go ahead to set immediately after contouring my nose with this mattifying Catrice Cosmetics powder. I contour my nose and I go ahead to set with this Yardley Cosmetics translucent loose setting powder. I also contour my forehead and my cheekbones, making sure not to get it too dark. You want to blend that with your hairline and you're not making it too dark. Now this is a hack, guys. I'm setting my whole face with translucent loose setting powder. I don't want my makeup to get oily easily or get sweaty, so I set the rest of my face with translucent loose setting powder. You can also use compact setting powder or finishing powder. It's up to you, but I love using this one. It makes my makeup to last. Then I go in with lipstick. I'm using this creamy lip paint from Catrice Cosmetics. It's so good, guys. And then I go in with the Yardley 3-in-1 setting spray for the last time, and we are all done. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do well to subscribe. And until next time, see you all. Bye.